Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a really quick card using the Ready to Ride Designer Series paper, along with the Go-To Greetings stamp set. Okay, but before we get to our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We're going to start with the paper pumpkin kit, all the little things for April. You have until the 10th, which is a couple of days from now, to get to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards. It includes a shaded spruce ink spot, and you will be also getting a free box organizer included in your kit. Next up, we have our April host code special for Honeybee Stamping Hive. When you place an order of $60 or more before shipping and tax and use this particular host code, I will send you 1 pack of the brushed brass butterflies for free. Brushed brass butterflies. Say that fast 3 times. Okay, so that is the host code special. And again, you must use that host code when you place your order of $60 or more. And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our card. So I have some thick, very vanilla, cut at 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I also have some of the Designer Series paper, this specialty paper. This is, what is this? 4 by 5 1/4. And we're gonna glue this down to our card base. Like I said, this is going to be a really quick card. It's real simple and quick. I just thought it was cute. Then we have some of Designer Series paper. This one is cut at 2 5/8 by 3 1/4. Then I'm going to layer it on some very vanilla. That is 3 3/8 by 2 3/4. And on this one, we will not be using the specialty side. This designer paper is really designed to be masculine, but I made a mistake. Okay, we're gonna have to work past that mistake. Oh my gosh. This is for the inside, so we have another piece of very vanilla. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and I have some designer paper here that is 3/4 of an inch, and we're gonna cut it down to 3.5. I forgot to do the stamping before I adhered stuff together. Then we're just going to take our scissors here and cut off the extra. Then we're going to glue this down to a piece of basic gray that is 3 3/4 by 5. And we're going to adhere this to the inside of our card. I think this card was too quick and easy, and that's why I made the mistake. But I think we can work around it. So we're going to get the Stamparatus. As you guys might know, the Stamparatus is going away. I was supposed to put this here to stamp, but now I have extra. I need to make sure. I think that's going to be good. Hopefully it's straight, because now I messed up my alignment. But I just inked that up with the Tuxedo Memento black ink. And the reason I'm using the Stamparatus is because sometimes it doesn't get as dark as I like it. And I want to be able to go over it again to make sure that black is really good. So there, we have that done now. I love this thing. If you don't already have the Stamparatus, you need to go ahead and get it before they are gone. It's a wonderful tool. So now we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. And we are going to pop this up on the front of our card. So I'm going to use some dimensionals here. there. And we're going to just get our card and pop this up. I have to learn to not put these right in my way. So I want to put this kind of at an angle. Oh, oh. I don't want it too much of an angle, but I do want a little bit of an angle. And that's the card done. I do need some embellishments on there. Wait, I thought I was done. Let me see. What can I embellish this with? Let's get out our bling. Nope. I think black. Ooh, or the gray. Do I have another pack of these that are opened already? Yeah. Let's do the basic gray. These are the classic matte dots. So let me get my take your pick tool. And we're going to put some gray on here. Yeah, I think that'd be good. Just like that. You always have to add the bling, right? Okay, now that is our card done. Isn't that cute? I love this. I don't think I use this paper enough. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.